Ciao ragazzi, I'm Chef Roberta, Pasta Evangelist, and today I'm going to show you how to make mezze mafalde with a pumpkin sauce and Italian sausage. Let's check the ingredient. We got some fresh sage, salt and pepper, extra virgin olive oil, we got some parmesan, garlic, fresh Italian sausage, diced pumpkin, mezze mafalde from Pasta Evangelists. To create these recipes, we're gonna start to create the sauce with the pumpkin. So we start with a couple of tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. We're gonna add one garlic. Once the garlic is nice and brown, we can start to put the pumpkin, the diced pumpkin. Now that the garlic is nice and brown, we are going to add the diced pumpkin. Let's put the medium low, otherwise it will burn. At the same time, we can add some salt, some pepper, and today I have chosen some fresh sage to bring a little bit of flavor to the pumpkin. Now that we have added all the ingredients, we're going to leave it to cook between 10 to 15 minutes on a low heat. We are going to check time to time. If it gets very dry, we can then add some water from the pasta that is almost ready. Now let's prepare the sausage. So now we are going to clean the sausage. We are going to remove the skin and just put it into the pan to get it nice and brown so it's ready for our sauce. I'm simply going to remove this part, and you simply remove the skin. We do the same. For a couple of portions, you simply need just a few pieces of sausage. What I do normally, I break with my hand first, and then I'm going to put it straight into the pan. And I don't add any oil for the sausage because it has already the fat into the meat, which will slowly be released and create a lot of oil. If you think that the sausage is very meaty and less fat, then you can add just a tiny little spoon of extra virgin olive oil. The pan is hot, and now we can start. So more than regional dish, the pumpkin it's a seasonal dish in Italy. So wherever you're based, from the north to the south part of Italy, we all used to mix the pumpkin with our favorite pasta shape. And as I said before, because it's a product that is pretty sweet, we love to mix with some meat, some seafood, something that can balance the sweetness of the pumpkin. I remember my mom doing this dish every time I was feeling a little bit poorly, and she wants to just bring my energy back. And she knew that the pumpkin, it was one of my favorite seasonal vegetables. Regarding the quality, guys, you can literally use any quality of pumpkin. Today, we have used the Italian quality called delica. It's a type of pumpkin very famous in Italy, but as I said, if it's any quality butternut squash, go for it. It will be absolutely delicious. As you can see, guys, the sausage is now ready. The reason why I haven't put any oil, because as you can see, the pan already released, the sausage, already released a lot of oil. Some of it I will keep it because we didn't add a lot into the pumpkin, and some I will just remove it. And once it's nice and crispy, you can switch off and we move back to the pumpkin sauce. Now that the pasta is ready, we get in. And we can add also our amazing pumpkin cream. Look at this creamy pumpkin. we're gonna add a touch of Parmesan. You can use pecorino instead. We mix again all together, and we are ready to plate. And mezze mafalde with pumpkin cream and Italian sausage are ready for you. Buon appetito!